How to improve English conversation. Good morning everyone. I am honored to stand before you today to talk about an important topic, how to improve our English communication skills. English has become one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is used for business, education, travel, and even personal conversations. Being able to speak and understand English well can open up many opportunities for us, both in our careers and in our personal lives. However, many people struggle with English communication. Some of us may feel shy or afraid of making mistakes when speaking. Others may find it difficult to understand what native speakers are saying. Some may feel that their vocabulary is too limited, while others may find grammar confusing. The good news is that improving English communication is possible for everyone, no matter what level you are starting from. All it takes is practice, patience, and the right methods. Today, I will share with you some simple but effective ways to improve your English communication. These methods are easy to follow and, if practiced regularly, they will help you become a confident and effective English speaker. Let us explore these methods one by one. 1. Practice speaking every day. One of the best ways to improve English communication is by speaking regularly. Speaking helps us to become more comfortable with the language and builds our confidence. If we only study grammar and vocabulary without speaking, we will struggle to use what we know in real conversations. Start by speaking in English every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. You can practice with your friends, classmates, family members, or even by talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Speaking aloud helps you to hear how you sound and to identify areas where you can improve. If you are shy or don't have anyone to practice with, try recording yourself. Listen to the recording and see where you can improve. Joining an English-speaking group or a language club is also a good way to practice. In these groups, you can engage in conversations, ask questions, and get feedback from others. The more you speak, the more comfortable and natural you will feel. 2. Listen to English regularly. Listening is a key part of improving communication. When you listen to how native speakers talk, you learn the natural flow of the language, correct pronunciation, and new vocabulary. It also helps you to understand different accents and tones. Start by listening to English songs, podcasts, and audiobooks. Watch English movies, TV shows, and news programs. Try to understand the context even if you don't understand every word. Focus on how words are pronounced and how sentences are formed. It's also helpful to repeat what you hear. For example, if you are watching a movie and you hear a new phrase, pause and repeat it aloud. This helps you to remember it better and improve your pronunciation. Listening to native speakers also helps you to improve your listening skills in real conversations. You will learn to understand different speeds and tones, which will make it easier for you to respond confidently. 3. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary helps you to express yourself clearly and accurately. If you know more words, you can describe your thoughts and feelings better. Expanding your vocabulary also helps you to understand others more easily. Make it a habit to learn a few new words every day. Write down new words you hear or read and try to use them in your conversations. Keep a small notebook or use a phone app to record new vocabulary. Group similar words together to make it easier to remember them. Reading is one of the best ways to build your vocabulary. Read English books, magazines, and newspapers. If you come across a word you don't know, look it up and try to use it in a sentence. Learning synonyms, words with similar meanings, and antonyms, words with opposite meanings, also helps to build a wider vocabulary. 4. Focus on grammar, but don't worry about perfection. Grammar is important because it helps us to form correct sentences. However, many people become too focused on grammar and are afraid to speak because they fear making mistakes. While it is important to learn the basic rules of grammar, don't let the fear of making mistakes stop you from speaking. Learn simple sentence structures first and practice them regularly. For example, start with present tense sentences like, I go to school every day, before moving to more complex structures like, if I had known, I would have come earlier. If you make a mistake while speaking, don't panic. Correct yourself and continue. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Most people will understand you even if you make a small grammar mistake. 5. Think in English. Many people make the mistake of thinking in their native language and then translating into English while speaking. This slows down communication and can lead to awkward sentences. To improve fluency, try to think directly in English. For example, if you are thinking about what to eat for dinner, think in English, what should I eat today? Instead of thinking in your native language and translating. This will help you to speak more naturally and quickly. You can train your mind to think in English by practicing simple exercises. Describe your surroundings in English, narrate your daily routine, or try to name objects you see around you in English. Over time, thinking in English will become natural. 6. Practice speaking with different people. Communication is not only about speaking but also about interacting with others. To become a better communicator, you need to practice speaking with different people. Each person has a different way of speaking, accent, and vocabulary. Speak with people from different backgrounds, ages, and regions. This will help you to adapt to different speaking styles and understand various accents. You will also learn new expressions and cultural phrases that will make your communication more effective. If you have access to online language exchange programs, join them. You can connect with native speakers and other learners from around the world. Talking to different people will improve your confidence and help you adjust to different speaking styles. 7. Improve your pronunciation. Good pronunciation makes it easier for others to understand you. Even if you know a lot of vocabulary and grammar, poor pronunciation can make it difficult for others to understand what you are saying. Listen to how native speakers pronounce words and try to copy them. Use online pronunciation tools or dictionary apps to check the correct pronunciation of words. Practicing tongue twisters and repeating difficult words will also help you improve your pronunciation. Break down long words into smaller parts and practice them slowly. Focus on the correct stress and intonation of words. Speaking slowly and clearly will also improve your pronunciation and help others understand you better. 8. Use simple sentences first. When you are learning to communicate in English, start with simple sentences. Instead of using complex words or long sentences, use clear and direct language. For example, instead of saying, "I am experiencing a state of confusion," say, "I am confused." Simple sentences are easier to understand and less likely to cause confusion. Once you are comfortable with simple sentences, you can gradually try more complex sentence structures. But always remember, clarity is more important than complexity. 9. Ask for feedback. Getting feedback from others helps you to identify your strengths and areas where you need to improve. Ask your friends, teachers, or language partners to give you feedback on your speaking and listening skills. Don't be afraid of criticism. Use it as a tool to improve. If someone corrects you, thank them and try to apply their advice in future conversations. Feedback helps you to grow and become a better communicator. 10. Be confident and keep practicing. Confidence is key to effective communication. Even if you make mistakes, don't let them stop you from speaking. Remember that communication is about expressing yourself, not about being perfect. The more you practice, the better you will become. Celebrate small improvements and keep challenging yourself to speak more often. Confidence comes with practice, and mistakes are part of the learning process. Conclusion: improving English communication is not something that happens overnight. But with consistent effort and practice, you can become a confident speaker. Speak regularly, listen carefully, expand your vocabulary, and think in English. Focus on simple sentences, improve your pronunciation, and seek feedback from others. Most importantly, believe in yourself and stay motivated. English is a powerful tool that can open doors to new opportunities. Start improving your communication today and take one step at a time. Success is within your reach. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.